All right, guys, well, we're back at the auction and I've got to check. Let's go see what I bought. I just paid for our auction item. I've got my temporary plates here. You guys want to see what we got? What'd we get you? All right, guys. We bought the 77. A lot of you guys recommended that I buy it, so I did. First things I did when the auction ended was I called up Tim Gentry at Gentry & Sons Trucking to let him know what I bought, and he got super excited, and the first thing he said to me was, "You're gonna love it." And he's like, "Don't let me near it though, because it'll be 600 horsepower before you know it." The truck for Bobby, for him to drive, and we are gonna fix it up, but because it is for him, he's gonna drive it home, so let's hope it makes it. We made it home. Rem and I are walking down to see Dad, see what happened. See, we made it. That's all that matters. As you can see, guys, there's no audio on this clip. My GoPro, although great for action shots, not so great for vlogging. It decided not to record the audio this time around. So here I am voicing over my own video so that I don't have to reshoot this whole thing and delay it by another 3 days. We bought this truck as a project truck. Our first plan is to get it into the shop and start tearing into the engine. The only thing keeping us from getting started is Bobby has a friend's pickup in pieces in the shop right now. Once that is done, we will have hopefully sourced the majority of the parts we need to get started on the in-frame. Electric windshield wiper kit will be installed next, as well as some major cleaning of the interior. We're also planning on painting the truck, so please drop a comment below with your paint color suggestions, because the only color we can come up with is gray. We're searching for aluminum wheels now, and we will be replacing these tires as well. I don't know if you guys can see the manufacture date in the video, but it was 18 years ago. We're both super excited to get started on this project. Hopefully you guys are too. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Wait. I know you guys want to know how much I paid for the truck, so I'm going to slip it in here at the end. This truck cost us at auction $16,750. Okay guys, well, I'll see you next time.